up, people? I got y'all right here on the 4 hourly. As y'all can see, we are making the move up, and this is crunch time, like I told y'all before. BTC came down here after this. There was a fake out. This wasn't actually a touch to this resistance level because the close of the candle is nowhere near where it touched at. Why it spiked up to spike down just to test the level. That's what it was doing. As y'all can see, we came down here to a triple bottom. 1, 2, 3. Now we're making our uptrend up. So we come up here, right here, where you see this candle at. Basically, we're gonna stop this candle right here, and then we're gonna start basically come back down, retrace, and continue our way up to trap this for the third time. Like I said, we gotta at least come up here to the box of these candles. Y'all can see the box of the candles is sitting around 31,250, right? So we gotta at least come up here for a close of a candle to confirm that we tested it the third time, and we should either get that rejection or we get the uptrend. Like I mentioned in my previous videos, as I gave y'all the warning and well ahead of time. So I'm gonna hit y'all right here on the daily. As y'all can see on the daily, it's the same thing, and I'm expecting this thing to slide over a little farther, so you can see. So I was expecting this thing to come up because it's still a possibility. You can still come up here, come down here, and hit this 50 MA on the daily, and then make our way back up now. So keep that in mind. They can still continue a downtrend if they want to. But like basically what I'm saying is, like, when we come down here around 29,000, whenever we break 29,000, it's over. We're going down to the next zone. The next zone will be all the way down here at 19,000. So we talking about a $10,000 drop, over 35% drop of the overall market. So I mean, that's a crazy move in general. So keep that in mind, that they can do that. So, you know what I'm saying? But for the time being, when we come up here, we got to break through this level, which I really consider 31,500, because that should be a confirmation we're breaking through the level for the third time. But we have to continue to break out all the way up here to just below $34,000. And I'm gonna say more around 33,800, since it's more kind. It's kind of more strategized. I'm gonna say. So I'm gonna say 33,800, right? And then we gotta bounce. We gotta retrace and bounce off 31,800. Basically, where we basically trying to break out through right now. We gotta bounce off this number. The red line, basically, as y'all can see. This is the only way we can get an uptrend. We boom, and then we break back out this 34,000 range, basically. Otherwise, we could come back up here to around 31,500 and get a reversal. And we can still come up here, and then if we break down below 31,500, it's still a confirmation that we just broke our trend on the uptrend. But the overall markets, like I always tell y'all, is still showing it's a downtrend, but they're waiting for the event to crash the market. That's why they've been extending it. But we've basically been in the same zone for forever. But it's the same pattern. You get what I'm saying? So we haven't broke the pattern yet. So I'm gonna go a little further. Y'all gotta stick me through this whole video so y'all can see exactly what they're doing. So basically coming up here to recover this range. But as y'all can see, the red line, right, is basically the support back here, like way back here in 2021. It was support back then for this head and shoulder, but now it's gonna be resistance. That's how they're working it out. Take this drawing off so I can see better. So look at the line, the bottom of that candlestick, then you see right here, got rejected, and that's where we're stuck at right now. So you coming up here for the third time, get rejected, or you're gonna break through. But like I say, this is really a support / resistance level in the overall market on a weekly chart. So I believe we're gonna get a reversal. And as I showed y'all before, right here, this is where we at right here. We already got the drop right there, boom to the dub, boom to the dub. One jump up, 2 jumps up, never made it to the third. Same here. See the red right here? Boom. It's 1 jump up, 2 jumps up, never made it to the third. Then we just had a sudden downfall of the market because it crashed. Basically, you know what I'm saying? It failed the pattern, so it has to recover all the other candlesticks, which is all these candlesticks, this whole uptrend. And this will do the same thing, which had to cover all these candlesticks so you can have another uptrend, because they don't want to leave no money on the table. So I'm gonna hit y'all on the daily, so y'all see, oh my bad, it's a monthly. Turn the boom pattern, boom, we see the dub to the M, and we basically we're in the first retracement to start level 2 basically. But we're starting off on the bottom of level 1 and going all the way up to level 2. So it's gonna be a crazy move up, because the next move, let me take this off. Excuse me, boom, that's the right button, boom. You see the M, W, boom, level 1. It has to stay above $10,000 in any month, because it'll basically invalidate the pattern. So whenever we do drop down to 5,000 in the $5,000 range, it's gonna go right back up to 10,000 within that same month. to confirm this pattern basically. And then we'll come up here for the third time and break through. And like I said before, go around to 100, over 100,000, more like 115, 125 for our next range. So it'll be a crazy move from $5,000 to $100,000. Y'all can imagine what that'd be looking like. But this is the monthly chart. And like I say, we're looking for that crash real soon. I'm gonna give y'all a little. Oh, excuse that. I gotta pull that thing back up. Matter of fact, let me see if I can pull it up for y'all. And of course, all this will pop up. I'll do it next video. I'm gonna share the S&P and how the way is basically doing the exact same thing. Anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown, y'all make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.